Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos and hajime. My name is Hilary. So today, I was thinking of doing a little Marvel themed makeup look, which had a Loki inspired look on one half of my face and a Thor inspired look on my other eye. And kinda, maybe blending that together with like a liquid lipstick or something. I haven't thought that far ahead, but I do have some ideas. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So getting started right away, my first idea is to draw the Loki horns from the helmet up on this eyebrow. And I have a reference picture of the helmet pulled up. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild lip pencil to kind of be like an actual pencil and like sketch it in first. So I'm gonna get started on that. Okay, so now I just mixed yellow and a little bit of brown, liquid eyeliners on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna fill these in first. And now to add some dimension, I'm gonna mix in a little bit more brown and try to shadow the lower half and the back of the horns. And now I'm just gonna take my yellow and highlight the parts that are closer and that would receive the light. Okay, now I'm gonna try to outline everything with my black eyeliner. So this is how it looks. And on Thor's side, I'm actually going to be drawing Mjolnir, which is his hammer. So I'm just going to do the same process. I'm going to take this lip liner, sketch it out down on my cheekbone. I'm just going to do a very simple version because it's very detailed. But I have a reference picture pulled up, so I'm just going to try to draw this now. So now I just mixed a little white and black eyeliner to get a gray because I don't have a silver. And now I'm just gonna fill in this top. And now I'm just gonna outline this one as well with black eyeliner. So I'm gonna do the eyeshadow looks now, and as you may or may not know, I'm gonna start with Loki, by the way. Loki has a very strictly black and like dark green color palette for his outfits. So I'm first gonna start by I'm gonna use the James Charles palette first and put the dark green shade out in my crease and blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going to use a little bit of a fluffier brush and take the lime green in the palette and blend this out. And now I'm going to take this Funko Pop Maleficent palette. I don't actually get to use this one a lot because the colors are so dark in it and I don't really do a lot of dark eyeshadow looks. But I'm going to take the color called Misunderstood, which has maybe just hints of a dark green in it, and really darken up that outer V. So now I'm just gonna do a little tiny cut crease and I'm gonna remove the eyeshadow on the lid with this makeup wipe. So as we all know, Loki loves his gold accessories, so I'm gonna take this little Suva Beauty gold eyeshadow in the color Turmeric and highlight my inner corner with this. Next I'm taking this Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow palette and I'm taking the green one and just applying that from the gold to the center of my lid. So next I'm going to use this LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow and kind of continue this gold on the inner corner up around the cut crease. I just put on some black mascara and now it's Thor's turn. So Thor's color palette for his costumes are mostly just silver with his red cape. So I'm thinking maybe we do something like this, but with some red, some silver, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens. But that's the plan for right now. So I'm gonna start with the red shade in the James Charles palette, and matching what I did over here, just put it in the crease and blending that out. And now I'm just gonna take a nude shade and blend this out. So now I'm just gonna take like a brownish color, a warm brown mixed with red, and deepen up the outer corner on this eye. So the glitter palette also has this white, which I'm gonna try to highlight my inner corner with. That is really pretty. I'd never used this palette before, but I wish I would have now. I really like that. So now I'm gonna use the You Can Be Fruit Pie Filling palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Dew down here. It's kind of silver, but also kind of blue, which reminded me of like the, I guess like the undertones of like the silver that he wears. So while I put the green over here, I'm gonna put the blue silver over here. So I was trying to pick out a liquid lipstick to match this, and then I saw that I have this Avengers liquid lipstick that I was thinking about using, but it's pink and there's nothing pink in this look, and with how busy it is, I wanted something that was kind of nude or neutral. So I have this Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade 24/7. I got this from Ipsy and I really like it, but it's really weird because doesn't it look like pretty nude in the bottle, but after I apply it on my lips, it's gonna turn like almost like a dark red shade. So I like it, but that was a little weird the first time I tried it out. See, isn't that kind of weird? I guess it's pretty similar, but you know, a little funky. Okay, so that is the final look for today. Let me know what you guys think down below. Give it a like if you like this, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Click that bell if you want to get notified when I post. And I think that is it for today. Like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.